Beneath our feet, there is another world. A world without sunlight. A world shaped by water, stone, time, and silence. Far below, forests, mountains, deserts, and even cities, hidden caves stretch through the earth like secret passageways. Some are small and narrow. Others are so vast they can hold rivers, forests, and clouds of mist. This is the hidden world beneath our feet. Most people imagine caves as dark, empty spaces. But many caves are not empty at all. They are landscapes. They have rivers, cliffs, chambers, pools, mineral towers, and hidden ecosystems. Some caves are dry and silent. Others are alive with dripping water, flowing streams, and the slow movement of minerals. Inside them, the earth keeps working, quietly, patiently, and almost invisibly. Many caves begin with something simple: rain. As rainwater passes through soil, it can become slightly acidic. Then, over long periods of time, that water seeps into cracks in limestone and other soluble rocks. Slowly, the rock begins to dissolve. Tiny cracks become tunnels. Tunnels become chambers. And after thousands, or even millions of years, an underground world begins to form. This kind of landscape is called karst. Karst forms where water can dissolve the rock beneath the surface. From above, it may look like ordinary hills and valleys. But underneath, the ground can be filled with hidden channels, caves, and underground drainage systems. In some places, streams disappear into the ground. In others, water travels through underground passages before emerging again as springs. One of the most powerful forces in caves is moving water. Underground rivers can carve tunnels, widen passages, and connect distant chambers. Some flow gently through narrow cracks. Others rush through the darkness with enough force to reshape stone. These rivers are not just beautiful. They are part of the planet's hidden plumbing system. They carry water below the surface, sometimes for great distances, before it returns to daylight. Inside many caves, water does more than remove rock. It also builds. When mineral-rich water drips from a cave ceiling, tiny deposits are left behind. Over time, these deposits grow into long formations called stalactites. On the floor below, minerals can build upward into stalagmites. They grow slowly, drop by drop. A single formation can take centuries to become visible. Some caves hold formations that seem almost impossible. In rare places, minerals grow into enormous crystals. These crystals need the right chemistry, the right temperature, and a very long period of stability. They are not decorations. They are records of conditions deep within the earth. A crystal chamber can feel like another planet, but it is part of our own world, hidden in darkness. Even without sunlight, caves can support life. But life here is different. Some cave animals lose their eyesight over generations. Some become pale, almost transparent. Others develop long antennae or sensitive bodies to feel their way through darkness. In these places, survival depends on patience, adaptation, and very limited food. A cave ecosystem can be fragile because everything inside is connected. Karst landscapes can also be dangerous. When underground cavities grow too large, the ground above may lose support. Sometimes the surface collapses. This creates a sinkhole. Some sinkholes form slowly. Others appear suddenly, changing a landscape in moments. They remind us that the ground beneath us is not always as solid as it seems. Caves can also preserve the past. The layers inside stalagmites can hold clues about ancient rainfall, temperature, and environmental change. To scientists, these formations are natural archives. They grow slowly, layer by layer, and each layer can contain information from a different period of Earth's history. In a way, caves are not only hidden landscapes, they are libraries made of stone. Humans have also entered caves for thousands of years. Some caves protected early art, tools, bones, and signs of ancient life. On cave walls, people left handprints, animal drawings, and symbols. These marks were made in darkness, far from the open sky. They show that caves were more than shelters. They were places of memory, mystery, and meaning. Caves are not only beautiful, they matter. Karst systems can store and move groundwater. In many regions, this water supports people, plants, animals, farms, and entire communities. But these systems are vulnerable. Because water can move quickly through karst, pollution can also spread quickly. Protecting caves often means protecting water itself. Even today, the underground world is not fully known. New cave passages are still mapped. New species are still found. And new connections between water, rock, climate, and life are still being understood. Every cave is different. Some are dry and ancient. Some are active and changing. And some may still be waiting in total darkness, untouched and unseen. The world beneath our feet is quiet, but it is not still. Water moves, stone changes, life adapts, and history waits in the dark. Caves remind us that Earth is not only shaped on the surface. Some of its greatest wonders are hidden below. If you enjoyed this journey into the underground world, please like the video, subscribe to Factful Treasures, and share your thoughts in the comments. What hidden place should we explore next?